Quality control in discrete manufacturing is a critical process for every company to ensure the safest, strongest, and highest grade products are assembled and engineered. To make this key component easier to manage, Sage X3's built-in quality control feature gives you a highly functional and easy-to-use process right within your existing ERP solution. Within Sage X3, quality control can be done at the supplier receipt, the production receipt, or manually requested for a product by submitting an analysis request. During these business transactions, the quality control process triggers the product to go through a quality control workbench to determine if it can be released to stock and shipped out, or needs to be reworked to meet quality standards, or rejected. This workbench is based on the creation of technical sheets made up of user-defined questions and responses that secure that the company has only the best quality products. In addition, these technical sheets allow companies to easily control and manage the quality and availability of their products by being able to classify their stock statuses of the products as Q for quality, A for accepted, and R for rejected. Combined with non-conformance, which can be done at the supplier receipt, production tracking, and at custom return, which provides the ability to prevent and pinpoint the root cause of non-conformity and quality control failures, Sage X3 has true quality control to enable companies to provide the highest grade quality products to their consumers.